Now we will see the mathematical modeling of mechanical system. The mechanical systems are again of two types. One is the linear translational system and second is the rotational mechanical system. So we have to find out the mathematical model of translational systems as well as the rotational system. Now see here, in the electrical network we know there are the resistance. In electrical network we know there is resistance, that is R, then inductance, that is L, and capacitance, that is C. These are the three components or the elements are there. These are the three components of the electrical network, that is resistance, inductance, and the capacitance. Similarly, in linear translational system, there is mass or inertia. It is denoted by M. Then damper or friction, it is denoted by F. And the third one is the spring, it is denoted by K. So in the linear translational systems we have again three components, like in electrical: resistance, inductance, and capacitance. But in linear translational systems we have the three components, that is mass, that is called as inertia, it is denoted by M, the damper or the frictions, which is denoted by small f, and the spring, which is denoted by K. So in the mechanical system we have the three components: mass, damper, and the spring. Now we will write down the equation for this one. Now see here, force equation. We will write down the force equation. Now see here, if there is a mass, this is the rigid portion, this is the mass M. Now this is the displacement x, and here if the applied force is F, F is acted in a right direction, in the left to right direction. That means we are pulling the mass in a right direction, into the right direction. So now when we pull this one, when we apply the force on the mass, we have a displacement that is x. So the force equation is given by F, it is equals to m into A, that is mass into acceleration. It is given by the another equation, that is m into d square xt by dt square, where A is a acceleration. It is given by d square x by dt square. Accelerations is given by the equation d square x by dt square, where x is displacement. X is called as displacement. Or mass, force applied on a mass, F, it is equals to m into A, or it is equals to m into d square x by dt square, where x is the displacement and A is the acceleration. So every times you must remember this equation: F, it is equals to m into A, or m, it is equals to d square x by dt square. These equations we always requires when we will solve the numericals based on the mechanical translational system or the linear translational system. This is the first one. Second, now if we have a a damper, and if we apply the force, this is the damper F, this damper F, and to these points if we apply the force F to this damper, then the force applied on the damper F, it is equals to F into dx by dt, dx by dt. The force applied on a mass mf, it is given by m into d square x by dt square, and F in case of the dampers, it is given by F into dx by dt. This small f is nothing but your damper, value of the damper, or the value of the friction, value of the friction. And the third one is the spring, third one is the spring. Now to the spring, again suppose the force F is applied, force F is applied, then the force applied on a spring is given by equation K into X, K into X. This is the equation, this is the equation, and this is the equation for the mass. So we have the three equation, F into F, it is equals to m into d square x by dt square, F it is equals to F into dx by dt, and F it is equals to K into X, respectively mass, damper and the spring. The equation for the mass, damper and the spring. So for the mass, m it is equals to F it is equals to m into A, it is equals to m into d square x by dt square, and F it is equals to F into dx by dt, and F it is equals to K into X. So these are the three equations for the three components of a mechanical linear translational system. This is a linear translational system. We have three components and we have three equations, and we have three equations. F it is equals to m into d square x by dt square, F it is equals to F into dx by dt, and F it is equals to K into X. So these are the three components are there, three components are there, and three equations are there, and three equations are there. Now see here, we will see one of the example based on the mechanical translational system. Obtain transfer function of a mechanical system shown in figure, and also write differential equation. And also write differential equation. Now see here, if suppose we have a system, okay, this is the simple mechanical system. Here is the spring K, here is the friction F, and this is the mass M, and this is the mass M, and to this mass M the displacement is associated, that is X. The displacements at the mass is X. Now see here, the three components are connected in such a fashion, K, F and M are connected together, and it is connected across. Now see here, this is the mechanical systems, okay. So K, F, M are connected together across, they are applied, the applied mechanical force is F of t, and when we apply the force on the mass M, it gets displaced by a displacement X, it gets displaced by displacement X. Now see here, this is our simple transfer, this is our simple mechanical system. Now see here, in this one F of t is the input which is applied as an external force as a input, and when we apply the external force as an input to the mass m, we get a displacement x. We get a displacement x. That means f of t is an input and x is our output, and x is your output. So that means x of t divided by f of t, that will be our transfer function. X of t divided by f of t, that will be our transfer function. Transfer functions is always between the Laplace transform of output to the Laplace transform of input. So what is the output? That is x of t, and what is the input? That is f of t. So x of t divided by f of t will give us the transfer function of this mechanical system. Now to find out the transfer function, of this mechanical system, first draw free body diagram. Now see here is the only one displacement is there and one mass is there. So we will draw the free body diagram at the mass. So first we will draw the block of the mass m here. Now see here how many components are there? K, F and M. So each components will have their own force. Now see here, this is the external applied force. So first we will show this external applied force. Now at this m, the force due to m, force due to k and force due to f will appear over there, at the free body diagram. Now see here the applied force in the downward direction, so rest of the forces will act in a upward direction. This is the force due to the mass, this is the force due to the k, that is the spring, and this is the force due to the damper, that is f of f, that is the ff. This is the force due to damper, this is the force due to spring, and this is the force due to mass, because the three elements are connected over there. So we have the three element forces are there, Fm, Ff and Fk, as well as the applied external force is there, which is in the downward direction. So rest of all the forces due to the elements or the components will appear in the opposite directions of the applied force. So this is downward, so rest of the forces will be in the upward direction. So we can write down f of t, it is equals to Fm plus Ff plus Fk. So the total applied force f of t, it is equals to Fm plus Ff plus Fk. So this is the equation of a force. Now see here, what is Fm? Fm, it is equals to m into d square x by dt square. What is Ff? It is f into dx by dt. And what is Fk? That is nothing but kx. That same force equations we will write down here. Fm, it is equals to force on a mass, that is nothing but Fm, it is equals to m into d square xt of dt square. Then Ff, it is equals to f into dxt by dt, and Fk, it is equals to k into x of t. Now we will write down the equation for the force. F of t, it is equals to Fm. Fm is m d square xt by dt square plus, see there, this is Fm plus Ff plus Fk. So this is Fm, this is Ff, that is f into d square xt by dt square plus, this is k into x of t. Now take Laplace transform of above equation. So this becomes f of s, it is equals to m into, this is d square by dt square, so that means it is s square, and x of t becomes x of s plus, this is f, and d by dt is this is d by dt is s, that is x of s, plus k into x of t, that is nothing but x of s. So f of s, it is equals to m into s square plus k, f into s plus k multiplied by this x of s is common, so this becomes x of s. So this we can write down x of s divided by f of s, it is equals to 1 divided by s square into m plus s into f plus k. This is the transfer function. Let's say this equation is 1 and this equation is 2. So second is our transfer function, and the first equation is our differential equation. F of t, it is equals to m into d square x by dt square plus f into d by dt into x of t plus k into x of t. Now we will take the Laplace transform, so we get this equation. So that is nothing but the Laplace transform of the mechanical system.